Hey, what's up, you little goofy goober? A friendly reminder to tell the people in your life that you love them as much as you can because, well, that's important. Welcome back to Microscope. My name is Mike. Batter me up, flip me twice, and call me a pancake. Get out your little Pokédex, you little nerd, because we're back again with a fun time learning episode, and today we're learning about the Spirostomum. Oh boy. Spirostomum is a genus of unicellular eukaryotic cilia. It's also known as protists, and there's 8 accepted species of these little goobers. Pretty cool. They range on average from 150 micrometers to up to 4 millimeters, but average is 1 to 2 millimeters. They don't get that big. They have these elongated tube-like bodies, which some may confuse as a worm, but no, these aren't flatworms or annelids or anything like that. So, nature's got ya. Spirostomum are typically translucent in color, having no true pigmentation and therefore no true color. However, they may have a bit of coloration caused by their diet. They're also covered in these tiny little hairs called cilia. These cilia serve 2 purposes. One is to locomote, to move around, and 2 is to feed. They do this by waving these cilia in an organized or synchronized fashion to bring water into the mouth or to propel the organism through the water, kind of like a rowboat. It's pretty cool, right? Wow. They're found in freshwater sources like ponds, lakes, streams, and creeks. However, they do prefer areas that are rich in organic matter. They can tolerate low oxygen environments as well, and they love to eat bacteria. They're bacterivores. Isn't that pretty cool? They eat them up. Yum, yum, yum. That's the primary thing that they eat. Yummy. The lifespan of the Spirostomum can depend upon the species that we're talking about, but on average, 1 to 3 days, not very long at all. They reproduce rather quickly, though, so that's no worry. They use binary fission. Basically, one cell divides and it's 2 daughter cells after that. That's fun. And they use conjugation as well, which is a process that doesn't result in offspring. However, it will kind of exchange genetic material and refresh the genetics, maybe make a mutation here. Pretty cool stuff, right? Wow. Love science. As we can see here, these little goobers are demonstrating a really cool recoil or contraction process in which they do this to avoid predation or stimulus they don't like in general. And they actually can communicate with other Spirostomum in that they create a hydrodynamic current, meaning when they contract, they make a little current that the other Spirostomum recognize, and they do the same. They also recoil. So they all recoil at once, nearly instantaneously. It's insane. Really cool stuff. Wow. And here's a cool history fact for you. In 1834, a dude named Christian Gottfried Ehrenberg discovered the Spirostomum and named it. Really cool stuff. Love the name for it. I had so much fun here. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.